Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Squarespace, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the login process for Squarespace, navigate to your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.squarespace.com and hit enter. Once the Squarespace homepage loads, locate the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your Squarespace account. Then, input your password in the designated field. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. After entering your credentials, click the Login button below. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. You will then be prompted to enter your email address again. Check your email inbox for a password reset link from Squarespace. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Once your password is reset, return to the login page. Enter your email and the new password you created. Click the login button again to access your account. If you have enabled two-step authentication, verify your login with the code sent to your chosen device. You will now be logged into your Squarespace account. From here, you can manage your site and explore the various tools available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.